In this video, we will give you a very brief or tutorial about how you can use uCode.AI to generate your CURD code for your front-end and back-end. Okay, we have already created a project. It's creating a project is very simple, very straightforward. You just go to the projects and give it a good title. Your name is space. If you're a developer, you understand this. We hope so. And also the project name, it will be the name, and also you select your database. We have support 3 database right now. You choose your backend technology, Node.js, Java, Spring Boot. Right now we are available with 2 the options, but in future more technology and a framework will be added. For web, we are supporting Vue 3 and React.js. Actually, it's not React, it's Next.js and Next.js TypeScript version. And for mobile, it's also coming soon. We will support Flutter and React Native. Okay, we have already created a project. For example, this is test 1. We gave a namespace, name, we choose our database and also the backend technology. If we enter this project, we have right now we have 3 tables. This is the thing actually, you have to understand. Any business app or solution software have lots of table or document. From NoSQL we call it document. We'll have lots of table. It may be 10, 100. It's depend upon your size or business logics. So we have 3 table. We can create another table, and we can if you enter inside the table this employee. Employee table, we can see the field and column name. By default, this 4 or 5 field will be auto-generated. We have added name and email. You can add another if you record like address. We just, for simple demonstration, let us address add a new field name address. It is the text area. Okay, we no need validate. We can put some max length or minimum length validation here. It will be available in input. We can also have search features on this address field, and it will by default we choose everything, and we just created a new column. So based on your business logic, you can create as many as column you need. And you can also put validation, like is it a email field or phone field, number field, or URL, and this tool will generate the validation code also for you. Okay, let's see how we can generate the code. After we have done, we will go to my projects, and we have this button in the right side. We click here, and it will show show our project volume. Right now we have 3 table with this kind of field. Actually, our aim, we will charge as per the project volume. So total field is 28. Forget about it, just see it will give you the summary of this project. And when you create the generate code, it will generate the code for us for backend and for frontend. Let's see, we will give you some idea actually what will be the generated code. It will take some time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It's based on actually your volume. So the process is running, and when it finished, we will be able to download the generated code, which we can use for further development. So bear in mind, our tool will generate the CURD file. On top of it, user must fine-tune and enhance their project, and they can develop their project super fast. So this is our project. If we are willing to open it let's open it in a Vue VS Code. So here is the file we have generated so far. So the API is based on Node.js, and database is PostgreSQL, and this is our web frontend, React.js. And if you have a Docker, we can directly build the file typing this. We have a README file. You can see that if you run this code, we can generate all the backend. We can build all the backend and front end. But you can also, if you have not familiar with Docker, you can also generate it locally, or you will run it locally. For example, this is a source code. This we can see that the company file is there. If you see the model, all the file is there. Like we have email, name, and this update by created by is there, and like for user and employee, everything is there. This is the backend. By default, we also provide test file, so you can do your own test. And also the most important, REST client. If you are familiar with REST client, it's I think it's it's becoming more popular than Postman. We have generated all this file for you, so that you can run and test your all your endpoint using this REST client files. And this is the web part. We create all the service file for you, like company, email, all the and also all the pages is there, like user pages, employee pages, company pages. So what you have to do after running the backend, you create the most important part. You create a default user, user like this one. You create a default user, like it can be your defined. By default we give some data, but you can put your own data, and using this data you can access web dashboard, and also you can test all. You can access your web dashboard and also test your backend API. So that's this is a very small demonstration for uCode.AI. So hope you will like this system, this AI generated coding service, and it will definitely boost your programming speed, and also it will reduce time, and at the end it will be very economic. Your project will be very you can run your project in a very budget friendly way. Okay, thank you. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. We will post new videos every now and then, so it will be very helpful for your development journey. Thank you very much.